Cheers. One of each. All right, today we are at the Lindt, I can't speak, chocolate factory. We are going to do a museum tour, and then we are doing a truffle making class. Pretty excited. As soon as I got out of my Uber, I smelled the chocolate, and I'm pretty pumped. So here we go. I already have an online ticket for the museum, and then I have my online ticket already for the truffle making class. It was 89 Swiss francs for the total for all of it. Big old chocolate factory. Man, this place, oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good. Anyway, when you get here, just come straight. If you have your online tickets, right over here, scan in to go to the museum, and get here within 30 minutes of your time or they will not let you in. It smells so good. So you have the audio guide right here, and you just go up and scan it, and it'll give you all the information. So this is talking about the actual plants. There's chocolate tasting. All these three towers are all chocolate tasting. This is like my 20th one. Cheers. All right, we have some kind of white chocolate. It's warm. It's so good. So this one is a milk chocolate. Oh my god. No, it's the best milk chocolate. So this one is a dark chocolate. Flavors, I've got in my mouth here. I haven't even tasted flavors like this before. It's so good. They have pieces of chocolate, you put your hand in there and it pops out. Coolest shit ever. Look. Oh, she's really hot. All these are different flavored chocolates all the way around. Ta-da! And now, oh my god, I'm really loving life right now. I think this is rounding off, but you get to take one of each. One of each. Oh my god. Cheesecake. Yum. I don't even know how to say. Oh, is that coconut? Oh, hell yeah. As to how long you could spend here, it really just depends on you. I think an hour is a good, if you want to like listen to all of the things, an hour is a good amount of time for this place. If you just want to walk through quickly, you know, 30 minutes. But I took about 45 minutes myself, but yep. Which brings up another point. I know I act like a big goofball. This is fun. Life is about having fun, having good experiences, acting like a kid again. when did we get old? You know, like why did we have to act a certain way? I'm gonna let myself geek out a little bit. I love chocolate. This is a great experience, so I hope you enjoyed this part. I'm actually going to my truffle making class in about 20 minutes, so it's a lot of fun. Here's my finished product, and they taste delicious. These are champagne truffles. So hit that subscribe button, follow along, and check out the truffle class if I have enough data on my SD card, hopefully. But anyway, check it out next time. No, check me out next time. I don't even know. I can't even talk my sugar high.